guys, what's up? Ariel, come here, come here, come here. This is my cousin here, Ariel.
Hi.
She's 7 years old, 1 year older than me, because I'm 8. And this is my brother, Kisha. So we're gonna show you our
Nerf gun.
our Nerf gun and my Minecraft book. I have a Minecraft book. It was $29.90. I bought it from Popular in Malaysia. What is that sound anyway? It's so mean. And guys, I'm gonna show you my Nerf guns. I'll go take my Nerf gun when my cousin will talk to you guys. I hope you understand Bahasa Melayu.
Okay. Hey, yo, go. This is a Nerf gun. Okay, you see. Take one. Open. Blah, 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 blah. Okay.
So guys, we have this gun. I don't know what's the name called. So if you put this,
Okay.
if you put this in the comments below and know what gun is it, then guys, I hope you can tell us. And we have a sword here. We bought this from Toys R Us. Me and my brother. My cousin was in home, but I don't know where he go. And he visited us today. And I
Okay.
got a Minecraft book. It was awesome. It's awesome, man. And we got this. Is this the awesome gun? It's a disc launcher. And we got
Okay,
this.
come on,
too. So guys, if you like this video, I hope you like it, guys. I hope you see the video, guys. Yo,
Bye.
don't shoot the fans. Hey, we're not yet done. So, and we have a badminton racket. Hey, why do I need this? I don't know why. So guys,
Okay.
we got a knife. Yes. I'm gonna show you my guys. Okay. He's gonna hunt some zombies, but actually there's no zombies. He's gonna use his imagination to kill some. So ready? Go! Go, 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 go.